What's up everybody, this is Colin Dijs from Debrew, and in this video I will show you how to find the best ad creatives to promote ClickBank offers using Facebook ads the right way without getting banned. So I'm still working with Tom, everything is going well. Last month we did about $80,000. This month we are on track to get up to $100,000, which is obviously amazing. As you can see, people ask me to refresh this. I don't know why, but it's definitely not fake. It's all in here. Obviously great weeks, great days. And what we're actually doing, I will show you. We're staying basically in the Whitehat niches. I'm going to log into Visto, show you some ads, what is good, what is not good, specifically to ClickBank. If you're interested in working together with me and Tom, we decided to make a course which is free for the people who are inside the Debrew Suite. So the Debrew Suite is my software platform which offers a tracker, landing page builder, cash flow manager. We have a huge community where Tom is as well, and all kinds of other super affiliates, including other ClickBank Platinums. And of course, we have the courses available. The Facebook course on ClickBank is actually together with Tom, so you will see him there as well, showing some of his special skills. And obviously, it is me and my other coaches who will walk you through everything. So if you're interested in that, feel free to schedule a call with me through the description link if you are interested. And we can have a chat about the opportunity. All right, but enough of that. Let's have a look at the ads. So I'm going to open some ads and then I will say, I will tell you what is good and what is not good. Quite simple, actually. Let me grab 4 or 5 different ads, different style, just to see what we can find. All right, and this one. Well, let's start with the first one. So the most important thing is we want to stay compliant. We want to keep things simple and we want to stay compliant. We want to reduce the risk of getting banned. The risk is always present. It's something you need to be aware of, something you have to deal with. However, you should not get banned every day, every week, every month. You could experience what me and Tom have experienced. We got 1 month, we got 1 ban in 6 months. And then recently, last week, we got 1 ban. So over a 6-month, 7-month time period, we got 2 bans, right? So it's very important to understand that there's always a risk because we test new things, we test the limits a little bit, and sometimes that happens. But inside the course, we basically explain how that works. But it's easy enough to understand as a principle by itself. It is part of the risk of this business model, and it is what it is. So this one is for a dog training product, which I love to promote. People who have a dog are very passionate about their dogs. They say like, oh, I'm a mommy of this dog. Well, you're not really a mommy, right? But it's a dog, it's an animal. But they have like this connection, especially with dogs. Some people have it with cats, but obviously a lot less because dogs is like human connection, very intense. Most desperate and well-intentioned dog owners have never been shown the real reason why their dog barks nonstop. It's basically a call out, yes. It is basically saying, in other words, if you have a dog, which you have the right intention, but it keeps barking, which a lot of people have that problem, right? Then listen up because we got the solution. They use gimmicks such as shaking a jar of coins or spray water on the dog. So these are probably the 2 most often used remedies which you find on Google. And then it's basically trying to elaborate on a story and invite you to click. Solve the real root cause of that crazy barking. All right, when you click it, it basically brings you to this landing page, which is a very simple click-through. Most desperate and well-intentioned dog owners have never been shown. Very poor quality 1-button click-through lander. This can be done a lot better. If you click watch now, it will basically link you to brain training for dogs, right? Which makes sense. Good offer. I like this offer. It's a shame it doesn't have a video sales letter because it would convert a lot better, but they do have an incredibly long sales copy page, right? I think the ad is good, the ad is interesting. I wouldn't call out the audience because you're basically excluding a big part of that audience this way. You're basically saying, if you are like this user, then come on in. So you're basically creating a pre-frame, but the pre-frame is so strong that 80% of people with a dog who is barking might not be desperate, or might not have the well intentions, or might not have used these gimmicks, right? Because you're being so precise, the user who's going to click has a high intent to convert. However, all the other users, therefore, you are excluding. And I don't think that is the exact right approach that I would follow. The image doesn't grab that much attention, doesn't have strong curiosity. It does, however, the sketch image is nice, it's unique. And in addition to that, it really has the problem and the solution on the other hand, right? So based on that part, they really go with the problem solution angle. It is done quite well. When we look at the next page, this is a Nutra ad. So we're never going to promote anything Nutra. So I can already tell you this is a bad idea and this will get you banned every day, right? Which is not what we want. This is the Lost Ways review. So I assume it's for the offer The Lost Ways, which makes sense. Refrigerator, cars, phones, supermarkets, what will happen tomorrow if they don't work? Learn 10 survival skills our great grandparents knew, but we have forgotten. Alright, so this is definitely geared towards the prepper, towards the survivalist. Good call out, right? Basically explaining all necessities we are so accustomed to, and then bringing in the fear aspect, but listening up. 10 things is very inviting, right? It has a good video. So let me just turn off the volume. And it basically has like a little explainer of this guy, and then it has subtitles because most people watch without the music, like I'm doing now, without the sound. And the great thing I like about this Visto app, you can just download it, right? Download it, and then you can use it yourself. 10 skills to stay ahead during tough times. During tough times is a very good way of saying through this pandemic, because obviously that is not allowed, to use the pandemic as advertising leverage. However, through tough times, yeah, pretty cool. When we look at the lander, I think when you hit play, it will redirect you. But all in all, yeah, simple. It's anyway probably geared to an older audience. You can tell from how it's written and how this book is written, or it might fit the user. But I have never promoted to preppers. Well, I did promote to preppers, but that was with e-commerce 4 years ago. This is obviously a very unique niche. Yeah, nice ad, simple, to the point, 6 out of 10. Alright, this is the story-based telling. This is one of my favorite flows to work with. I had an important job to finish, but my battery drill suddenly didn't work anymore. It was so frustrating, blah, 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 blah. I needed something, solution. If you want the same solution, click here. Right? Simple affiliate ad. Basically an ad which grabs the attention. So it is a problem solution, and it puts towards this little thingy, which I don't know what it is, but it keeps you from scrolling. I don't think it's the best image because there's a lot of color contrast already available. So the arrow is kind of not that good. And the lander, very basic. Again, maybe the basic works, but yeah. It's definitely a long page. Let's see if we can find a better image for this, okay? What's it called? Like, it's like a drill? I don't know. Yes? Well, it's not this, obviously, but what is that? Machine called, did I say it? Drill battery. Finish with my drill battery. Drill machine wood. Drill machine wood floor. Yes, okay. So this is more the direction you want to go with. As you can already tell, there are not that many images, so he might have the right image right there. I just don't like the arrow doesn't make much sense on that overview. Definitely not. Yeah, I would prefer something like this, something more attention grabbing with the lasers, and what they have is more something like this, right? This is like too bright. Is it even real? Which is basically the same thing as this. This is probably from a photo shoot, but it's a good copy. I like talking in the I way, right? I nodded and said blah 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 blah. It really gets people reading. It really drags them into the copy. They're being curious about your solution and they're going to click. So definitely, based on the copy, 8 out of 10. Image, 4 out of 10. Well, this is Nutra. Again, don't promote this shit. This one is blood sugar, diabetes, I think. Okay, it's an interesting ad, but Oreo cookies, Coke, lowering blood sugar, yes. So even diabetes offers are in the Nutra niche. And we don't want to promote anything Nutra. Yeah, so Nutra is not only diet, it's also diabetes, skincare. Just stay away from it, especially in the beginning. Okay, blood sugar, again diabetes. Batteries, battery reconditioning. Very simple call to action. Can all batteries be brought back to life? It might work, 4 out of 10 for effort. Image, a circle, and an arrow. We only use one element. It's a sketch, which is nice. So for the sketch, 6 out of 10. The way it looks, the way it's used, 1 out of 10. Not good. The lander, nice, to the point. It's the same style over and over again, right? I would personally make it a little bit more interesting, because right now it's a little mediocre. A lot of text, more images, a better explainer through visuals, like this, instead of having huge blocks of text, because nobody has the attention span to read that, right? So the main things we learned so far, yes? Done for you battery, perfect. Nutra, no. Diabetes, no. Skincare, no. The lost ways, yes. Renew energy, no. Do it yourself, yes. Lost ways, yes. What else do we have? Dog barking, definitely, yes. Right, so there are a lot of big opportunities there. Story-based is the way to go to reduce the odds of getting banned. Structure it. Use a spy tool like this to get great videos, because I would rather run video than image-based ads. And give it your best shot, but stay compliant. I hope you learned a thing or two from this quick review. If you want to take your affiliate business to the next level and you want my help, definitely not required, obviously. You can watch these videos for free. And you want to have the same result as Tom, I definitely can potentially get you there. Schedule a call with me down below, and we can talk about your affiliate business and what the opportunities are if you decide to join the Deborah Suite. Not everybody will get approved. Just so you know beforehand, you need a steady amount of cash flow and experience, and obviously you need to be extremely motivated. So I do disappoint some people on a daily basis, which are not allowed to join. It happens. But if you are motivated, you have sustainable cash flow, and you are ready to learn, take your business to the next level, schedule a call with me, and we'll talk soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.